This Flash tutorial shows you how to draw customized shapes with the Flash Pen tool. The Pen tool enables you to create complex shapes by combining both straight and curved lines in the same shape. These shapes are made up of paths, anchor points, and tangent handles that can be adjusted as the shape is drawn. To help make it easier to learn how to use the Pen tool, we've drawn a triangle and circle on the layer below the layer on which we'll practice. We'll essentially practice using the Pen tool by reproducing or tracing the shapes on the layer underneath. First, select the Pen tool from the Tools panel. The Pen tool works by drawing line segments between anchor points you create. Let's create our first anchor point by clicking near the top of the triangle we want to trace. Let's make our next anchor point at the bottom left corner of the triangle. Notice that a line segment has been drawn between the two anchor points. Now, let's make another anchor point at the bottom right corner of the triangle and click again at the top of the triangle to make our final line segment. Notice that we've drawn a complete triangle. Now let's practice creating a circle by using the tangent handles. First, click at the top center of the circle to create our first anchor point. Now click at the right center of the triangle to create our second anchor point, but don't release the mouse button yet. While still holding down the mouse button, drag the tangent handle straight down. Notice that as you drag, the shape of the line segment changes. Simply drag until the line segment begins to resemble the shape you want. After you get the desired shape, you can release the mouse button. Create the third anchor point at the bottom center of the circle and the fourth anchor point at the left center of the circle. If the new line segment isn't automatically drawn the way you want, remember to drag the mouse until you get the desired shape. Now let's use the Paint Bucket tool to fill the new shape. Notice that the new shape is not a perfect circle. Mastering the Pen tool does take a little practice.